Hi, today we are going to do simultaneous equations. In simultaneous equations, we have two unknowns. To find two unknowns, we need two different equations. These two equations are called simultaneous equations. I'm going to discuss two methods to solve simultaneous equations. Method 1, substitution method. Method 2, elimination method. Let's move on to substitution method. This method is used when we have a unit coefficient of any unknown. Let's go to the first example. That is 3x minus 2y equals 0, 2x plus y equals 7. First of all, we have to check the coefficients. Here 3, 2, 2 and 1. Here not mentioned. That means we can put 1 here. We have a unit coefficient. So here 3, 2, 2, 1. So we have unit coefficient. Then we can use substitution method. So first of all, we have to label the equations. This is first one. This is second one. Then we take the unit coefficient equation, that is second equation, and we subject that unknown. That means here y we have to subject. So I write the equation 2x plus y equals 7. How do you subject y? We have to remove this 2x. So we have to subtract 2x from both sides. 2x plus y minus 2x equals 7 minus 2x. Then 2x get cancelled. Here remains y equals 7 minus 2x. Then we substitute this in equation 1. Substitute y equals 7 minus 2x in 1. So I write the first equation, that is 3x minus 2y equals 0. Then 3x minus 2 times, instead of y I have to put 7 minus 2x. Inside the bracket I put that 7 minus 2x equals 0. I'm going to write here 3x. Then I'm going to expand this bracket by minus 2. Minus 2 times 7 minus 14. Minus 2 times minus 2x, that is plus 4x equals 0. Then I can see like terms, 3x plus 4x, that is 7x minus 14 equals 0. Then I have to remove this minus 14. We have to add 14 to both sides. 7x minus 14 plus 14, 0 plus 14. 14 gone. 7x equals 14. Divide both sides by 7. 7 get cancelled. X equals 14 divided by 7, that is 2. We already subjected y, that is y equals 7 minus 2x, and we substitute x equals 2 here and find y value. Y equals 7 minus 2 times x equals 2. Y equals 7 minus 2 times 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 7 minus 2 times 2, that is 7 minus 4, that is 3. Then what is the final answer? X equals 2, y equals 3. Example 2, that is 4x plus y equals 14, x plus 5y equals 13. We need to find unit coefficient. We have here 1y, here 1x. We can select here y or here x. First name the equations. 1, 2. So I'll take the second one and subject x. So x plus 5y equals 13. We need to remove this 5y, so we have to subtract 5y from both sides. Then 5y and 5y get cancelled. X equals 13 minus 5y. Then I'm going to substitute this in equation 1. That is, first I write the equation. 4x plus y equals 14. Then instead of this x, I'm going to put 13 minus 5y. That is 4 bracket 13 minus 5y plus y equals 14. And I'm going to expand the brackets. 4 times 13, that is 52. 4 times minus 5y minus 20y plus y equals 14. Then I can see like terms. 52 minus 20y plus y, that is minus 19y equals 14. Then here plus 52, we have to subtract 52 from both sides to subject minus 19y. So I write here 52 minus 19y minus 52 equals 14 minus 52. Then 52 and 52 get cancelled. Minus 19y equals 14 minus 52, that is minus 38. Then I'm going to divide both sides by minus 19. Then minus 19 gone. Then y remains. Y equals minus minus gone. 38 divided by 19, that is 2. Then we have already subject x. I write that is x equals 13 minus 5y, and I substitute y as 2 and find the x value. X equals 13 minus 5 times y equals 2. That is 13 minus 5 times 2, that is 10. 13 minus 10, that is 3. So final answer is x equals 3, y equals 2. Example 3, x plus 2 times y minus 6 equals 0. 3x plus 4y equals 30. First, I'm going to name them. Equation 1, equation 2. Then I'm going to check the unit coefficient. So you can see first of all here it is unit coefficient. Then I can subject x in equation 1. Subject x in equation 1. So I write x, but here I'm going to expand the bracket and write plus 2 times y plus 2y plus 2 times minus 6, that is minus 12 equals 0. Okay, I have to subject x here. To subject x, I have to remove 2y and minus 12 both. So how do you remove both the terms? You have to send both terms to the other side. That means minus 12 to the other side and 2y also to the other side. So when you send to the other side, what will happen? It changes its sign. So when you send minus 12 to the other side, it becomes plus 12. Then plus 2y sent to the other side, it becomes minus 2y. So x equals 12 minus 2y. Then substitute x equals 12 minus 2y in equation 2. So first of all, I write the equation 3x plus 4y equals 30. Then instead of x, I have to put 12 minus 2y. So 3 open bracket 12 minus 2y plus 4y equals 30. Then I expand the bracket. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times minus 2y minus 6y plus 4y equals 30. Then I can see like terms. Minus 6y plus 4y, that is minus 2y equals 30. Then here 36, I have to remove 36. Subtract 36 from both sides. So I write 36 minus 2y minus 36 equals 30 minus 36. Then 36 and 36 get cancelled. Minus 2y equals 30 minus 36, that is minus 6. Then divide both sides by minus 2. Then minus 2 get cancelled. Y remains. Minus minus get cancelled. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then we have already subjected x. So I write that x equals 12 minus 2y. Then substitute y as 3 and find x value. X equals 12 minus 2 times 3. 12 minus 2 times 3, that is 6. Then 12 minus 6, that is 6. So the final answer is x equals 6, y equals 3. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.